Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to input your 4-year academic plan worksheet into your CaliforniaColleges.edu Academic Planner. Why are you inputting your academic plan into CaliforniaColleges.edu? Preparing to succeed in college, career, and life begins by making a plan for how to get there. By using the CaliforniaColleges.edu Academic Planner tool, you can set yourself up for success by planning out your coursework and creating a roadmap to achieving your post-high school career, college, and life goals. Every spring, you will update your academic planner so you can keep on top of your academic progress and post-high school goals. Let's get started. All of the materials you will need were provided to you during the school-wide academic planning lesson on Friday, January 17th. You will need the following materials to input your academic plan into CaliforniaColleges.edu. Number 1, your 4-year academic plan worksheet. Number 2, your Chromebook to log in to CaliforniaColleges.edu. Now you'll want to go to the CaliforniaColleges.edu website. Once on the webpage, click on Sign in with Google. It will automatically log you into your student account. If you've not registered your CaliforniaColleges.edu student account yet, click on the link at the bottom of this slide for a step-by-step tutorial. Remember, current 10th and 11th graders registered their account already during a school counseling lesson conducted in their English or Social Studies classes in the fall term. Current 9th graders will be registering their account during a school counseling lesson that will be conducted the week of January 21st in their PE or health classes. Or they can follow the instructions in the tutorial link below to register their account now. Hover over My Plan in the top menu bar. Select Academic Planner from the drop-down menu. Here you will find your Academic Planner, a grid that displays your completed and current high school courses, along with the grades you've received. Roseville Joint Union High School District has partnered with CaliforniaColleges.edu so that this information is automatically populated through CaliforniaColleges.edu's connection to Aries. The grid is organized by subject area, which are the rows, and grade level, which are the columns. You will now begin adding the courses you plan to take the following school years. Use your 4-year academic plan worksheet to guide you. If you are a current 9th grader, you will be entering your future plan courses in the 10th, 11th, and 12th grade columns. If you are a current 10th grader, you will want to enter future plan courses in the 11th and 12th grade columns. If you're a current 11th grader, you will want to enter your future plan courses in the 12th grade column. You'll want to make sure to enter 8 courses for each future grade level. To add a course, click on the plus sign icon in the appropriate subject area and grade level column. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you'll use the drop-down menu to select the course name, the term type, and the term in which the class takes place. For Roseville High School students, please enter your choices the following way. For select course name, click the down arrow symbol to view your options and select one. For select term type, click the down arrow symbol and select year. For select term, click the down arrow symbol and select year. Once you've selected the course name, term type, and term, click Submit. Once you click Submit, you'll see the class listed in your academic planner. Once a course is added to your academic planner, you can use the pen and paper icon to modify or delete it. Some other helpful notes as you enter courses into your academic planner. If you don't have a course plan for a particular grade level and subject area, for example, you don't plan to take science in 12th grade, you can skip that category in that grade level column. If you have a course plan that does not fit into any of the subject area categories, you can place it under the last category of additional coursework.